Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
X monetization.
Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to talk about X monetization. If you're a creator looking to earn money on X, formerly Twitter, this video is for you. I'll explain what X monetization is, how it works, I'll cover the requirements you need to meet to start earning, so you'll know exactly how to qualify. Plus, I'll share real-life case studies of creators who are successfully monetizing their content on X, showing you practical strategies to maximize your earnings. Whether you're just getting started or want to take your monetization game to the next level, stick around. Let's jump right in.
To monetize your presence on X, you should consider the following key aspects. Eligibility criteria for monetization. Subscription. You must be subscribed to either X Premium or be part of a verified organization. The cost for X Premium starts at $8 per month with additional benefits like the ability to edit posts, create longer posts, and reduce ads. Follower count. For subscriptions, you need at least 2,000 verified followers. And for ads revenue sharing, you still need at least 500 verified followers. Impressions. Accumulate at least 5 million organic impressions on your post within the last 3 months. Account activity. Your account must be active with posts published in the last 30 days, and the account should have been active for at least 3 months. Comply with X user agreement, creator monetization standards, and other relevant policies. Monetization methods. Ads revenue sharing. This program allows creators to share in the ad revenue generated from impressions of ads displayed in replies to their content. Eligibility also requires setting up a Stripe account for payouts with a minimum payout threshold of $10. Creator subscriptions. You can offer exclusive content to subscribers at different price points like $2.99, $4.99, or $9.99 monthly. This can include bonus content, badges, and subscriber-only interactions. Tips. Enable a tip jar feature on your profile where followers can send you money or Bitcoin via third-party payment services. This is straightforward to set up from your profile settings. Ticketed spaces. If you host audio conversations or events, you can charge for access, setting fees between $1 and $999 per listener. Strategies to increase earnings. Engagement. Engage with your audience regularly. X's new monetization model focuses on engagement from premium users rather than ad impressions, which means likes, replies, and bookmarks can directly affect your earnings. Content quality. Focus on creating quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Personal content and opinion pieces often attract more interaction. Diversify income. Don't rely solely on X ad revenue sharing. Consider other methods like sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling products, services directly through your X presence. Additional tips. Profile optimization. Ensure your profile is fully set up with a picture, bio, and verified email to meet monetization standards. Consistency. Post regularly and at optimal times to maximize visibility. Use of analytics. Monitor your performance through X Analytics tools to understand what content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, while X offers several avenues for monetization, success depends on building and engaging with an audience consistently while adhering to the platform's guidelines and policies. X monetization case studies. Here are some case studies and examples that illustrate how creators have approached X monetization. Case Study 1. Mr. B's experiment with X ad revenue program. Mr. B is known for his high engagement YouTube content, adapted his strategy to X by repurposing his YouTube content for the platform. He reportedly earned $250,000 in just 3 days through X ad revenue sharing program, showcasing the potential for high-impact content creators to monetize on X. This case suggests that bringing in established, engaging content can significantly boost earnings. Case Study 2, Strategic Content Monetization by Atharva TWTS. This creator developed an X growth guide sold on Gumroad, providing actionable strategies for growing an audience on X. Offered one-on-one mentorship to help others replicate his success on the platform. These strategies allowed for direct monetization through educational content and personal services, leveraging X as a platform for lead generation and brand building. Case Study 3, Rapid Monetization Achievement by Better X World. This creator shared a strategy on how to gain 5 million organic impressions and get monetized on X in less than 4 days, focusing on creating viral content and effective use of hashtags or trends. Demonstrates the speed at which one can potentially monetize on X with the right content strategy. Though specific earnings were not detailed, the focus was on achieving monetization eligibility quickly. Case Study 4, From Small to Significant Earnings with its Marquez Ruiz. This case involves scaling a personal brand on X from 8,000 to over 20,000 followers while increasing monthly revenue from $10,000 to $100,000 through an info business on School. The creator documented this journey, emphasizing strategic content creation, community building, and leveraging X for direct sales or affiliate marketing, showing a comprehensive approach to monetization beyond just X built-in features.
That's it for today's video. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how X monetization works, what you need to qualify, and how others are succeeding with it.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Leads to List by Technic Force. Grab unlimited leads right off Facebook, Google, and YouTube and into your autoresponder. Facebook and Google Leads, your autoresponder. No website, no opt-in, no fake emails, and unlimited scaling. This is list building ultimate. Connect with any Facebook page or Google account in a matter of seconds. Run Facebook and Google lead gen ads and send leads directly into your autoresponder. Send welcome emails containing access or other details to anyone who signs up. 100% accurate Facebook and Google emails. You can virtually guarantee this is the user's main account. Leads to List will help you no matter what kind of business you run. Product vendors, affiliate marketers, e-com sellers, local businesses, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Leads to List now. Just go to getleadstolist.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.